Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials working. Plug in your mic, open Discord, and choose that mic and voice and video settings. Once done, set your recording app's input to the same device so levels match. Make sure input sensitivity is off for consistent capture, and pick a sample rate that both Discord and your recorder support. You do this so levels won't clip, and your recording software captures the exact audio stream Discord uses. You now join the voice channel and verify others can hear you. Next, route audio. In OBS, add an audio input capture for your mic and an audio output capture for Discord audio, or enable a virtual loopback device to separate tracks. Once routed, check meters, keep peaks below clipping. Start a short test recording, speak, and have someone respond so you capture both sides. This confirms routing and ensures post-production flexibility. You finish by stopping the recorder and saving files with descriptive names so you won't mix takes. Open your editor to trim silence, normalize levels, and apply noise reduction. Export high-quality WAV or 320 kbps MP3 depending on delivery needs. If audio is missing, check Discord app permissions, confirm the correct input/output device, and verify your virtual loopback is active. A single troubleshooting tip. Restart Discord and your recording app to reset audio device locks. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.